Hello students, welcome to Eshwari Thaniksha channel. In this video, we are going to study how to calculate the numerical for one of the colligative property from this chapter, that is solution. So you know that there are four colligative property. So in that, one of the colligative property is osmotic pressure. So which are the four colligative properties you have studied? First one is relative lowering of vapor pressure, elevation in boiling point, then depression in freezing point, and the fourth one is osmotic pressure. So now to calculate the osmotic pressure, so which is the formula we are going to use? The formula we are going to use is this one. So this is pi. What is pi? Pi is called as osmotic pressure. So pi is equal to N into R into T into I divided by V. So what is pi here? Pi is called as osmotic pressure. N is called as the number of moles of the solute. R is called as gas constant, and T should be temperature in Kelvin, and V is called as volume of the solution. So this is the formula. So now we are going to take one example and we will solve osmotic pressure. So before that, so you can see here in this equation there is R. R is called as gas constant. So for R there are two values. So here make a note of this. So one value is R is equal to 8.314 joule per mole. Second one is R is equal to 0.0821 liter atmosphere divided by mole per Kelvin. So depending on the unit. So here the units are different. Therefore we are taking different values of R. So now for us, while calculation, which I have to take, whether I have to take this R value or I have to take this R value. So this depends upon the answer. So in the NEET examination or JEE examination, see the answer. So what is the unit of pi given? Suppose if pi is osmotic pressure. So if pi value is, if the unit is given as Newton per meter square, or if the answer is in Pascal, so then you have to use R is equal to 8.314. So depending on the answer you are taking this. So in the NEET examination, question will be given and four options will be given. So in that, pi value will be given to you in the answer. So pi is equal to something like 0.12 or some value will be given, and then unit will be given. So check what is the unit given. If the unit is given Newton per meter square or Pascal, then use R is equal to 8.314 joule per mole. And also you have to check volume, you have to keep in meter cube, and temperature should be kept in Kelvin. So this you have to make a note of it. While calculating, you should see that volume should be kept in meter cube and temperature should be kept in Kelvin, and then use R value this. Second, so when you will be using this R value, R is equal to 0.0821 as when the unit is given as atmosphere. So in the answer you check if the pi value is given something like 5.2 atmosphere. So if you see this unit, then use R value is equal to 0.0821 liter atmosphere per mole per Kelvin. So at that time, volume you have to keep in liter, and then temperature you have to keep in Kelvin. So only then you will be getting correct answer. So now I will take one numerical and I will show you how to calculate. So before calculating this, students, if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and also share this video with your friends. So now let us calculate here. First read the question what is given. 60 grams of urea is dissolved in 5 liter solution at 25 degrees Celsius. Calculate osmotic pressure. And in the answer, it is given, the unit is given as atmosphere. So let us write what is given first. So here 60 grams of urea. So solute mass is given. So mass of the solute is given as 60 grams. Is dissolved in 5 liter solution. So 5 liter solution meaning is volume of the solution is given as 5 liter. Then temperature. So temperature here, temperature is given as 25 degrees Celsius. So convert this to Kelvin. So 25 plus 273. So this is equal to 300 Kelvin. So now let us write the formula. So what is the formula we are going to use? Pi is equal to N into RT into I divided by V. So pi is equal to N RT into I divided by V. So this is equal to, what is N? N is called as number of moles. But here number of moles is not given. Instead of that, they have given the mass. So convert this mass into number of moles. So number of moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass of urea. That is 60 divided by, what is the molar mass of urea? Urea formula is NH2CO NH2. So calculate the molar mass. So nitrogen is 14. Nitrogen is 14 plus 2 hydrogen plus carbon is 12 plus oxygen is 16 plus nitrogen is 14 plus 2. So add all this, you will be getting 60. So 60 divided by 60, this is equal to 1. So now we got N as 1. So N is equal to 1 into R value. So now which R value I have to take? So I have two R values. So here I have 8.314 and I have 0.0821, which I have to take. So see the answer. Answer is given in atmosphere. So if it is given in atmosphere, then which R value I have to take? I have to take 0.0821. So I'll take here 0.0821 into temperature is 300 Kelvin. And then what is I? I is called as Van Hoff factor. So what is Van Hoff factor for urea? So already a detailed video I have made on this, how to find Van Hoff factor for different solute. So here the solute is non-electrolyte. Therefore, Van Hoff factor will be equal to 1. So if you don't know how to find out, I have given a beautiful trick on this, how to find for electrolyte, non-electrolyte. You can watch that. Go to the playlist and watch that video. So now I value is 1 divided by volume is 5. So this is equal to, so now again you have to multiply 0.0821 into 300 divided by 5. So this can be further simplified. So again I'll teach you a trick. So what is the trick? So always NEET or JEE examination is about the time management. So quickly you should be able to calculate. So again multiplying might take more much time. So here the trick what you can use here is this 0.0821 value, you can take it as 1 by 12. So this is approximately equal to 1 by 12. So now substitute that 1 into 1 by 12 into 300 into 1 divided by 5. So now is it very easy to calculate? See, within few seconds we can calculate now. 12 ones are 12, 25s are 300, 5 ones are 5 5s are 25. So this is equal to, so here 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 5, 5, 5 into 1. So multiply 1 into 5 into 1, which is equal to 5. So the answer is 5 atmosphere. So the pi value is 5 atmosphere. Is that simple? So always use some tricks so that you can easily calculate, quickly calculate and get the answer. So if you keep wasting the time, so you will not get much time to solve other questions. So this trick, make a note of it. So whenever this value is there, 0.0821, you can use 1 by 12, you will get very close answer. So students, and also I have told you which R value you have to use. So see the answer. If it is given in atmosphere, then use R value this. If it is given Newton per meter square or Pascal, then you have to use R value as 8.314. And also volume you have to convert to volume if it into liter. If it is given in centimeter cube or meter cube, you have to convert to liter. So here it is already in liter. So I have taken it directly. Suppose if it is given in meter cube, then you have to convert to liter and then you have to substitute here. So always unit plays a very important role here. So see the unit and according to that you have to substitute and quickly you will be getting the answer. So students, I hope you like the video. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and also share this video with your friends. I'll meet you in the next video, students.